The toolbar is located just below the view bar in the application window. It is used to display the different modes available for the active tool. Notice that currently the selection tool is active and the single object interactive scaling mode is chosen. This means I can scale applicable objects using these selection handles. If the mode is changed to disable interactive scaling mode, notice how the selection handles are gone and I can no longer scale the selected object. Additionally, if any are available, the toolbar will also provide access to the active tool's preferences. For example, if I select the offset tool, there is a preferences button in the toolbar, which will display the different offset options. The toolbar is divided into sections shown by these separators. The modes are grouped by function. You can change modes quickly through each group using U, I, O, P, and the bracket keys on your keyboard. Each key corresponds to a different mode section. For instance, with the selection tool active, pressing the U key cycles through the scaling modes, while pressing O will cycle through the different selection modes. The toolbar can also provide information about the mode you're using. If I activate the split tool, when smushing modes, info on how to use the mode is available just to the right of the last mode in the toolbar. The options found at the opposite end of the toolbar are available no matter which tool is active. These options are the most commonly used options found in Vectorworks and in the document preferences. The options shown in the toolbar can be selected from the Quick Preferences menu on the far right. By default, the two displayed are Zoom Line Thickness and Data Bar and Edit Group options. The Zoom Line Thickness button allows you to toggle the option on or off to show thicknesses for objects when zooming. Last, the Data Bar and Edit Group options allow users to control how the data bar behaves and the functionality of the escape key when exiting groups. For example, by default, the floating data bar automatically appears when working with most tools. From this menu, I can choose to have the data bar display only after the tab key is pressed, or I can choose to not use the floating data bar and instead show fields on a fixed data bar. In addition, this functionality is not set by default, but you can choose when inside a group if the escape key is pressed twice, it will exit the group or not. The options available for both Data Bar, Edit Group, as well as Quick Preferences options will be covered in depth in separate videos. For now, keep in mind that the toolbar gives users options to use the selected tool in a different manner. It also has access to commonly used Vectorworks and document preferences.